welcome to our election special State of War Bengal that we're bringing to you live from Kolkata, the Dharna site where West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has been protesting since 11:35 a.m. this morning at the Gandhi Murti in Kolkata. She's right behind me. She's been painting, keeping herself engaged in order to stage her protest against the Election Commission's campaign ban on her for 24 hours. But the Election Commission now has cracked the whip on BJP netas as well. In fact, the Election Commission has banned BJP's Rahul Sinha for 48 hours over his controversial statement on the Cooch Behar killings. The ban comes as the BJP's candidate in Howrah constituency on Monday said that not 4 but 8 people should have been shot dead by the central forces in Cooch Behar's Sital Kuchi. Rahul Sinha said that the central forces responded appropriately in Sital Kuchi during the phase 4 polling in Bengal. The Election Commission has also issued a warning to BJP leader Shubhendu Adhikari over a communal speech. Shubhendu on March 29 said if Begum comes back to power, the state will turn into a mini Pakistan. Meanwhile, the poll body has also issued a notice to Bengal BJP chief Dilip Ghosh and has asked him to respond by 10 a.m. tomorrow to controversial statements that he made in the wake of the Cooch Behar killings. In fact, he had said at that point that there will be more Sital Kuchi-like instances wherein if the bad boys, TMC, did not behave in the future.
শীতলকুচিতে 4 জনের বদলে 8 জনের মারা উচিত ছিল কেন্দ্রীয় বাহিনীর। কেন কেন্দ্রীয় বাহিনী 4 জনকে মারলো তার জন্য শোকজ করা উচিত কেন্দ্রীয় বাহিনীকে। যারা ভোটের লাইনে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে একটি 18 বছরের ছেলে বিজেপি করে এই অপরাধে গুলি করে প্রকাশ্যে ভোটের লাইনে গুলি চালায়, তাদের নেত্রী হচ্ছে মমতা ব্যানার্জি। যারা কেন্দ্রীয় বাহিনীর দিকে বোম ছুড়ে মানুষকে ভোট দিতে দেবে না, তাদের নেত্রী হচ্ছে মমতা ব্যানার্জি।
এত দুষ্টু ছেলে কোথা থেকে এলো? ওই দুষ্টু ছেলেটা কালকে গুলি খেয়েছে কুচবিহারের শীতলকুচিতে। এই দুষ্টু ছেলেটা থাকবে না বাংলায়। সবে শুরু হয়েছে। যারা ভেবেছে সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্স মানে বন্দুকটা দেখাবার জন্য নিয়ে এসছে, তারা বুঝেছে ওর গুলির গরম কিরকম। আর এটা সারা বাংলায় হবে। যদি কেউ আইন হাতে নিতে আসে, তাকে যোগ্য জবাব দেওয়া হবে।
My colleague Aishwarya Paliwal is now joining me live from Delhi on this story. Aishwarya, the Election Commission imposed a campaign ban of 24 hours on West Bengal Chief Minister for the communal statement that she made when she made a vote appeal to minorities. But when it comes to Shubhendu Adhikari, they've only let him off with a warning. What has the Election Commission said in the notice that they've issued saying that this is all that they're going to let him off with?
Well, let me tell you, Paul, very clearly in the order which they have given to Shubhendu Adhikari, the Election Commissioner has given him a stern warning. And let me tell you what this basically means. It means that the Election Commission and the officers in the state of West Bengal will be keeping a very close eye on what Shubhendu Adhikari says from going here onwards. But the Election Commission at the moment has not placed any ban. The ban which they have in fact placed is on Rahul Sinha, and follow me, what they have done, they did not even send him a notice. They directly issued an order in which he has been banned for the next 48 hours starting 12 noon today. And they have also given a notice to Dilip Ghosh, who is the president of the Bharatiya Janata Party in West Bengal, and they have said by tomorrow 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, we want you to respond to us. So definitely a spate of orders and notices going out from the Election Commission against BJP leaders. Follow me.
Right, so 3 BJP leaders are facing the Election Commission's heat this morning. Shubhendu Adhikari, Rahul Sinha and Dilip Ghosh.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.